In the service kit I ordered, I had everything I needed to do the service. First, I had to remove what's left of the exhaust. Then remove the fuel line, the security plate and the rubber seal. And the unit can come out from the body. Then I unscrew the ECU, the electronic control unit. I carefully disconnect the cables. I remove the spring clip and the temperature sensor wire and disconnect the fan assembly. I need to reach to the burn chamber, but before I got to remove the glow plug. Time to remove the burn chamber. Where the glow plug goes, there is a Gauss filter. It's an atomizer for the diesel. The old gaskets have to go and be replaced with the new ones. And give a good scrub. There is actually a very little carbon built up in the combustion chamber. The exhaust needs a good scrub as well. I was done with servicing the old one and now it was time to put it together. This process have taught me a lot about my heater and how it works, and it is always great with new knowledge.